Hello, Lines. It's Mr. Bell. And yes, today we have another shape that we're going to focus on and discover and learn things about, and then we're going to cut it out, of course. Okay, get ready. Okay, so today we have yet another shape we're going to learn about. So far, we have learned about the rectangle, the square, the triangle, and now introducing the trapezoid. Looks similar to a triangle, but it doesn't have all 3 points at the top. So what is a trapezoid? Well, a trapezoid is, here we go, trapezoid, T-R-A-P-E-Z-O-I-D, trapezoid. A quadrilateral, we'll talk about what a quadrilateral is, a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. Now, we might not understand what quadrilateral means, so I also wrote a definition of what quadrilateral is. Quadrilateral, a four-sided figure. Yep, that's what a trapezoid is. It has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So trapezoid does have four sides, so that is a quadrilateral. And what is parallel? Because this mentions with only one pair of parallel sides. Parallel, side by side, and having the same distance continuously between them. So, what's parallel? What would be considered parallel in a trapezoid? Well, the top line across, horizontal line across, and the bottom horizontal line are not the same size. Top one is smaller than the bottom one, but the two ones at the angle, the two lines on the sides that go at the angle are both even. Therefore, they run parallel. Yes, that is what parallel is. So it's a four-sided figure with parallel sides. Okay, and so let's begin to write our word trapezoid. As you can see here, we have a word trapezoid. It's T-R-A-P-E-Z-O-I-D. And so let's go, and what we're going to do, we're going to pick up our pencil and we're going to hold it. Our thumb is holding this part, which is usually on the bottom or the side, and our two fingers cradle and support the other side, and we hold it nearest to the point. So let's begin writing our word trapezoid. We're going to start out with the letter T. The line goes across and then the line going down. Line going across and line going down. R, a little line going down and then a little hook. Little hook. A little line going down and up comes a little hook. Next is A, a bubble with a line going to the right. So this is your right hand, this is your left hand. So right, left. So you're going to make a bubble for the A, and then you're going to make a line going to the right side. Right side. Next is P, bubble, and then a line going down below the cross line to the left. Okay, so you're going to make a bubble, and then a line going down on the left-hand side. Next letter is E. We're going to make a line, draw it out. We're going to write it out to the right. Then we're going to curve around and go around and under and make a little hook. That's how you make E. Z. It's like a zigzag. Okay? So we're going to make a line back going to the right, and then we're going to make a line at an angle going to the left, and then we're going to zip another line going to the right. Like a zigzag. Z. Next is O. Just a circle or a bubble. O. I, a little line going down and a dot at the top. Make a little line going down and a dot at the top. The last letter of the word trapezoid is D. We're going to make a bubble right here, and then we're going to make a long line coming down on the right side. Right, left. It's on the right side, that line. So we're going to make a bubble, and then we're going to draw a long line going down on the right side, and there's your word trapezoid. T-R-A-P-E-Z-O-I-D. Trapezoid. And here's our shape, the trapezoid. What do I have on top? Our scissors. So how do we hold our scissors? We pick it up, and what are the holes for? The small hole at the top is where you're going to put your thumb. The bottom hole or opening at the bottom is where you're going to put your fingers. So thumb at the top, fingers at the bottom, and you hold them thumb up. Thumb up. It works either way for the left hand as well. The thumb goes to the top and your fingers go through the bottom. The thumb stays at the top and your thumb opens up and closes. When it opens up, that means you space and you get ready to make the cut. When your thumb goes down, that's when you make the cut. Now let's get started. I'm going to position my paper here. I'm holding my paper and I open my scissors. The thumb opens up just like I have it. And we're going to get into the position where we're going to cut, and then we're going to close our scissors, and there's the cut. Open up, slide up, and cut. Open up, slide up, and cut. Stay on the line when you're doing it. Open up, slide up, thumb goes down, you make the cut. Thumb opens up, scissors open up, you slide up, and then you cut. Open up, slide up, thumb goes down, and cut. Open up, slide up, thumb goes down, and cut. Open up. Oh, you don't have to go that far because we're going to turn at an angle. Just make a little snip here. Now, I take my hand, I reposition the paper, still holding my paper with my other hand, and I continue to cut. And I open up my scissors, get in position, and then I close my scissors and cut. Open up, slide up, and close and cut. Open up, slide up, close and cut. I'm going to reposition my paper again because we got to the end of the point. So I'm going to turn my paper again while holding it and open up my scissors and get in position. My scissors are open and I'm ready to cut. So I'm watching my thumb. I close the scissors and it cuts. Then I open up, slide up, and I cut. Open up, slide up, and I cut. And we're getting to the point of this. Another point. Now I'm going to turn my paper one more time to go for the last part of the cut. And here we go. My scissors are open. I put it in position and I'm going to cut. Here we go. I'm in position. Here comes the cut. Let me close my scissors and I cut, staying on the line. Open up, slide up, close my scissors and cut. Open up. Here comes the last snip. Snip, and here we go. And what do we have here? Trapezoid. What color is it? Green. Yes. And there you go.